end of this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell next to the subscribe button to support the channel and get the notification with the newest videos we post. Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your LG Aristo from Metro PCS, model number LM-X210MA. What you will need to perform the factory reset on this device, you will need the power button and the volume down key. So what you do is you press the volume down and you press the power button. When you see the LG logo, release and press the power button one more time. The factory reset screen will come up. You use up the volume down key to select yes to factory reset, and you press the power key to confirm. So you press that and you scroll down once more and press the power key once more, and the phone will start factory resetting. It will erase everything on your phone. Make sure if you have your Google account was signed in on this device, make sure to re-sign in to bypass the activation screen. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.